Install the light bar on a non-lifted car. If you're building a non-lifted car with an optional max light bar, install the light bar now. First, install the bumper brackets onto the chassis. The bumper bracket sides with holes closest to the edge install onto the chassis. The angle bracket goes on top of the chassis with the step facing down. The flat bracket goes below. The bumper bracket sides with holes closest to the edge install onto the chassis. Use the provided 1/4 by 3 3/4 inch hex bolts, washers, and nylock nuts to fasten, but not fully tighten the light bar to the chassis to allow a little wiggle room for the bumper installation. Next, insert the light bar with block spacers between the brackets and align the holes for fastening the light bar to the brackets. Use the provided 5/16 by 3 1/2 inch hex bolts, washers, and nylock nuts to fasten the light bar to the brackets. Fully tighten the hardware. Fully tighten the hardware on the chassis as well. Finally, connect the light bar 6-pin connector to the available connector on the previously installed Y harness. Any extra wires will not be used and can be secured out of view. DoubleTake, because looks matter.